Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flavors with a wholesome bowl of seaweed and soybean pork rib soup. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, give those pork spare ribs a refreshing 30-minute soak in cold water. Now, for our sea elements, make sure you've pre-soaked the kelp overnight and those soybeans until they've plumped up. Next, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and give those pork spare ribs a quick 3-minute blanch. Afterward, rinse them thoroughly. Heat up a frying pan with a touch of oil and let those spare ribs sizzle until they're gorgeously golden brown on both sides. Now, the magic happens. Transfer those beautifully seared ribs into an electric pressure cooker like an instant pot. Pour in just the right amount of piping hot water. Add a slice of ginger, a knot of spring onion, and don't forget our flavor-packed seasoning bag. Choose the meat stewing program for a tantalizing 25 minutes. After releasing the pressure, bid farewell to the spring onion, ginger, and our trusty seasoning bag. In go the soaked soybeans and our tender kelp. Let them mingle and stew together for an extra 10 minutes. When you are ready to savor, add a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to taste. And there you have it, our seaweed and soybean pork rib soup ready to be savored. Give this recipe a try and drop a comment to let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.